Hi friends, in this video we will see uh, all the required differences in C Sharp. First we will see differences between var and dynamic and object variables. Okay, so we'll see what is var and dynamic. Okay, then we'll see difference between out and ref. Then we'll see difference between string and string builder, and then boxing and unboxing, and equals and reference equals. Okay, so let's start with var versus dynamic. Okay, we'll run the code now. Okay, sorry, we have to debug it. We'll start debugging. Okay, now we are calling this method var versus dynamic. We'll go inside, so press F11. Okay, we'll see var is compile time type reference. So suppose in this var you are assigning 10, so automatically it will become data type integer. Okay, because it is a strongly type. Suppose in this x2 we are assigning 10.5, so it will become a double variable. And if you assign string, that var becomes a string variable. Okay, but you cannot at runtime you cannot change value of x3. Like suppose it is a string, you cannot set integer into x3 because it is a strongly type. Okay, so in string variable you cannot set integer or double. So in short, you cannot change above variable to another data type. Now we'll see dynamic. Dynamic is very useful. Suppose we are setting dynamic y equal to 10, so it will become integer. But main use of dynamic is at runtime you can set string also in y variable. So you can change dynamic type to another data type also. So if you are setting integer here, okay, so you can change value to string also. You can set a string inside y also. So this is very useful. So you can use dynamic in your coding. And object is just for boxing and unboxing. So we'll see that difference also. Here we are setting 10. Okay, so since this is object can have any type of data, so we can store any data type here. So in this we can also set string. Okay, so you can change value of object to another data type, so it is possible. Okay, so I hope you understood where dynamic and object. Okay, if you have any query you can write on comment. Now we will see next difference. We'll see out versus ref. Okay, we'll keep breakpoint here. Okay, now we'll go inside this, say F11. Suppose first we will check ref. What is ref? Ref, to use ref you are passing variable method and you are passing ref variable. Okay, so it should be initialized first. So suppose int a equal to 5. Okay, so suppose you remove this and say save ref. Okay, so ref will give issue. Suppose you remove this, save. Okay, say F10. while debugging, if you change the code, it takes time because it compiles the code. Okay, suppose we don't want to change because it is giving error, because ref, if you are passing variable as ref, it should be assigned. Okay, so we will keep this as it is, a equal to 5, and add reference. Now we will go inside add ref method. Okay, we'll go inside this method. See, here we are passing add reference integer, say f10. So if you are passing a ref, you can assign value x equal to 10 plus equal to 10. Suppose we are getting 5, here you are incrementing by 10, so outside we will get 15. Okay, so meaning of ref is you can pass it by reference, so value will be updated in the same variable and you will get value outside. So here you can use ref. Okay, so in console it will write 15, and in out it is not necessary to assign outside. Okay, or sorry, it is not allowed to assign. Okay, if you are passing out variable, we'll go inside this. Okay, see, here we can set a value y equal to 20, so we are getting this value. Okay, 20. Okay, and this is read only. If you are passing the variable as it is, suppose without using ref and out, you can use this variable inside this method, but you will not get C value after this statement. If you write console, now if you use equals also doing the same thing. It compares value with value, so again it will give true. But if you check reference equals, okay, it will return false because it compares reference, and A and C references are different. There are different variables, so reference are also different. Okay, see, it returned false. So I hope you understood this. These are very useful things you can do at your in your project. Now in our upcoming videos we will cover following. Okay, so kindly subscribe and press bell item so that you will get alerts whenever we upload new videos. So I suggest you to subscribe and press bell button, and if you like this video, you can press on like and give comments. Okay, so in upcoming videos we will see public, private, internal, sealed and static class. We'll also see difference between class and struct. We'll learn factory pattern, singleton class, that is singleton pattern. Okay, and we'll also understand list and dictionary. We'll understand queue and stack, when it is used, how it is used, and we'll also understand value type and reference type. I hope this you already understood. Okay, so I will remove this, and we'll also understand dispose and finalize, thread and lock keyword, and our whole video will be on .NET Core, object lifetime of HTTP request, that is singleton, scoped and transient. And we will also have one video for web APIs, how to create web APIs, how to call web APIs using get and post method, using JSON object, and we'll also see repository pattern, how it is used for retrieving data from database, updating data from database. Okay, so it will be very useful for that. Okay friends, Thank you very much. Thanks for watching our video. Kindly support us and do subscribe my channel and do share with friends. Okay friends, thank you.